With this platform, you'll be able to create a ton of really engaging on-brand content, as well as automate and publish that content all in one place. Here's a quick overview of how it all works. The first thing you're going to want to do is head over to your brand library and create a custom brand voice. These are examples here of brand voices I've already created, where I've indicated the type of writing style, tone of voice, reading level, even down to capitalization and words to avoid. To create these brand voices, you can just click here, you can add an example, and it'll give you a tone and style. You can name it and save it to start using. In addition to brand voices, you can also add brand info, which you can use to save information about your business, target audience, or specific things or products that you might want to pull up when writing content. You can also save images, image styles, import products, and even create design themes if you're going to be creating emails and forms. Now let's start writing something using one of our brand voices. There are a few different ways you can create content. If you click on writing tools here, you can pick from a specific template which will help you create your content, whether it's a newsletter, if you want to improve content, if you want to create hooks or do social posts. You can also use our AI chat if you're not interested in using one of these templates. But let's start by using our sequence creator tool. So I'm going to click on the sequence creator, and then I can select the sequence type. So here I'm going to select, let's say it's a lead nurture soap opera sequence. And this is a type of sequence that's designed to nurture leads and move them through the purchase funnel. So I'm going to enter my information here. This is for a brand Veggies cat litter, and we're targeting busy cat owners. And I'm going to select my brand voice. So let's choose Hoppy for this one and just click create. And what it's going to do is create an outline for every email I should include in my sequence. From here, I can tweak the details in the outline. And then when I'm happy with it, I can select write. If I like this email, I can insert it directly into my document. Now here's the fun part, and it's where I can start tweaking this content to get it exactly how I like. So I can select a section, and I can just rewrite it. And it'll give me a few different options. Or I can change the tone of a specific section. Or I can speak to the specific section and ask it to change it. Make this shorter. I can also do this in different brand voices. Once I'm happy with my email, there's a few things I can do to polish it off. One, I can highlight the entire thing and click spam check. And this will give me a spam score on how likely it is to land in the junk folder. This one here looks great, so there's not much here to do. The next thing I might want to do is add a better hook. So here's where I can use the hooks tool. And I can copy this email, and then I can choose one of my hook formulas. So maybe it's contrarian style or storytelling style hook. Click create, and it's going to give me a bunch of hook ideas I can use for the introduction of my email. So once I'm happy with my email copy, I can start adding some design elements. So this might be a button here. Learn more about my cat Snuggles. This might be an image here. Okay, that looks good. And then maybe I want to make this an H1. And once I've got this and I'm happy with the overall content elements, I can actually apply one of my saved design themes to instantly transform it into an HTML email. So I've got one of my veggies themes here, and now this is ready to go. From here, there's a few ways I can publish this email. I can export an HTML version of it. I can send it directly to my subscribers and then view performance for it. Or I can click on automations and use this email in a sequence that I can send directly to my customers. There's a ton more you can do here with Hoppy Copy as well, from generating content ideas. Mini articles are really cool. We've got a bunch of templates here that allow you to quickly come up with ideas on the fly. And then our AI chat is a quick way to create anything you'd like using your different brand tones, as well as you can search the live web. You can pull in your RSS feeds to automate content. You can even reference images and specific web URLs. Also on the sidebar here, you'll see you can create images. You can choose from different email and form design templates. These also include automated content blocks, which allow you to refresh your newsletter content every day and completely automate your content, as well as you can monitor your competitors' emails. I've really only scratched the surface here, and we've got a bunch of video tutorials, which you should definitely take a look at. And yeah, reach out if you have any questions.